How to be sure your site visitors trust your affiliate marketing products. Affiliate marketing, not to be confused with internet marketing although they overlap, is a marketing practice involving rewarding affiliates for each visitor/customer that is brought in through via the affiliate's own marketing efforts. This is a form of online marketing in which the consumer is on one type of site and then clicks on a banner ad that brings them to the prime retailer's site. Facebook is the most current and profitable site to engage in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a good way to make some money without having to invest a lot of money. You don't have to invest on buying or producing products. The only thing you have to worry about when it comes to affiliate marketing is advertising and marketing. You have to make sure your website attracts enough attention to where people are clicking on the links on there and buying the products they view, giving you your income. So you may need to invest in some software that will help you to write and post interesting and relevant content. When selecting an affiliate marketing program, check out their resources in terms of sale boosting items for you. A good affiliate program will offer you banner images, content for text ads, and letter templates, in order to help you boost sales. A sale for you is a sale for them, and you want to work for a company that understands your value as an affiliate. Affiliate marketing is bringing the marketplace to a whole new level on the internet. Consumers based in Nebraska are being directed to merchants located all over the world in targeted marketing directives. Affiliate marketing is a cost-effective form of online marketing that has gained growing acceptance since its conception in 1994. Large online merchants such as Amazon.com and CD Now have produced great results engaging in this practice. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.